Tiski Diary, guys. The Orlando Pirates will not be making it to the CAF Champions League group stages. Ipagania, Lipumile, and that is all she wrote. Orlando Pirates are out. The issue of the Lupopo coach, let's stop making matters where there are none. When there are none, yeah, the coach, Siyazi ukuthi coaches the national team, and Wara Washa Waklima, to Orlando Pirates, they are out of the CAF Champions League. They did not make it to the group stages, unfortunately. So yeah, let's stop looking for excuses. And congratulations to Orlando Pirates. They are through to the Carling Cup semi-finals. It looks like Orlando Pirates, they are on their way to winning their second trophy of the season. So Sibabongele for that. That is the Orlando Pirates Football Club. Welcome to Tiski Diary. If you are not a robot, please remember to give it a like. Remember to subscribe. Guys, uSedrick Gaze says that the confidence esibonayo lapha kuye uma press conference, it's coming from the players, the right attitude that they are showing in training, and the progress that they are making. And he says that they are showing the right mentality, and that breeds confidence. So yeah, guys, that is the confidence esibonayo lapha kuSedrick Gaze in terms of laphayana kuma press conference. And yeah, in terms of Lapayana, Bafana Bafana, guys, don't go anywhere. We'll talk about the issues, the issue which why Bafana Bafana in our select my player with Chiefs. I think it's time we have this discussion. We will drop your thoughts on comments below my Lanana logo. That is today's topic. I'm a player with Kaiser Chiefs that are overlooked by Hugo Bros. We saw the squad, Saga Hugo Bros, and a couple of Kaiser Chiefs players who are on form. They have been overlooked, but we'll talk about that later. Don't go anywhere. Did you see the supporters chanting Lilepo's name at Dobsonville? Guys, the atmosphere was absolutely electrifying. So let's have a look at what happened. Athi siyibone laphayana iLilepo chant. Yeah, no, that was the fans shouting, calling for Lilepo, but call and come. So yeah, Lilepo uthi bizani mina ngizoresponda, is scoring that fantastic header after the fans chanted his name. Unfortunately, Lilepo, guys, the latest update regarding him is that he could miss the next game. I think he's going to go through a late fitness test. Ulilepo nimbonile ulimalile. He had a bit of a knock in the last game against Simba. So yeah, I think Lilepo will be out of the Durban City game. Durban City chairman Farouk Uti, the Durban City fans must come and paint Moses Mabhida blue and white. So yeah, guys, you know Kevin Hunt's team. Kevin Hunt doesn't like to lose against Kaiser Chiefs. He has got a bit of a history with Kaiser Chiefs, being a former Kaiser Chiefs coach himself. Unfortunately, Kevin Hunt Lapayana Sasegu Chiefs, he never got the opportunity to sign his own players. And yeah, man, that's all she wrote. And yeah, he came through that difficult time. He Chiefs in a FIFA ban. So Kevin Hunt's record against Kaiser Chiefs, in 38 games, he has won 15 games and he has lost 16 games. So it's a bit of a balance. I'm shy Chiefs now, shy. So yeah, that is Kevin Hunt is looking to improve a head-to-head record against the Kaiser Chiefs. That is Kevin Hunt and Kaiser Chiefs versus Devon City. I will do a starting lineup on Friday. So make sure you tune into the show, dear viewer. And remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for tuning in. So yeah, we will do a starting lineup in a game preview. That is on the Friday show. Rolani Mukwena, congratulations to him and MC Alger. Rolani Mukwena qualified for CAF Champions League group stages, 1-1 draw, and then that means they are through on away goals qualifier. And guys, another topic, let's talk about this. There's a player, a signing from Stellenbosch, Berafunwa Chiefs, and Stellenbosch wanted to make him their captain already. I think he was the captain. They doubled his salary, Lapayana Stellenbosch. And yeah, he decided to join Mamelodi Sundowns. And the coach there has said that other players at left back, they are better than him. He is behind the queue. Abu Mutiba, I think Abu Bandu Moyo Zimbabwe, that Zimbabwean left back, and I think yeah, there's 3 players ahead of him in the queue, and yeah, the coach says he is struggling to compete. Yeah, that is Fawas Pasadine. Do you think he made the right move? We all know that he is not getting any younger. So, guys, imali. We all know that money talks, bullshit works. So, bafethu asikhulume ngayo le ndaba le yaka Pasadine. Did he make the right move? Did he make the wrong move? Asicamtheni bafethu asikhulume ngayo le ndaba yaka Pasadine. Did he make the right move to Mamelodi Sundowns? Siyazi ukuthi uyahola, but he's going to lose his place in the Bafana team. Mangabe aqhubeka uhlala ebhenjini angeke aye ku-AFCON, angeke aye ku-World Cup. So was it a right move? Consider having said that. And then Robson Mochichwa bafethu uthi uKaze no Ben Yosef, they are inexperienced, they lack experience to coach a big team like Kaizer Chiefs. Do you agree with that notion and that perception? Yakab Robson Mochichwa ati uKaze no Ben Yosef, they are not experienced enough for Kaizer Chiefs. Do you agree? Asikhulumeni ngaleyo on comments. Then uHlompo Kekane, uHlompo mina bafethu angazi baqalile ka uHlompo. Let me just tell you what he said. If you didn't hear what he said, Hlompo Kekane uthi Kaizer, you know, he saw that amapensela umdu Shabalala nibabonile. I played that clip for you guys in the last show. Umdu Shabalala no Cross bapensela badla bafaka ikasi flavor against ilokhuzana iLupopo, and Hlompo Kekane says that has no place in professional football. That should only be seen laphayana ku-Phillies games. Do you think that is the correct notion? Mina bafethu, you know, these kind of comments, they piss me off ngoba uHlompo Kekane, first of all, he was not the most talented midfielder ever. Hlompo Kekane bekangashaya matsamaya. If it was Dr. Khumalo saying that, I'd be really more disappointed, because those players, I'm a player and a flair. And I have a Hlompo, man. Hlompo bekangekho skillful. Maka relax, guys. That is my opinion. I think Hlompo Kekane just needs to take a chill pill, relax, Bobby Pondo. Because guys, we all grew up ekasi sishaya matsamaya, sishaya by 2. So the most talented players and the most players with flair, they need to showcase their skills. Ronaldinho, that's why we love Ronaldinho. That is why we love the likes of Neymar. It is because of that flair that they have, and that flair that they continue to display at the highest level, higher than the PSL. So mina ngimazi ukuthi uHlompo uthini. So bafethu, drop your thoughts on comments. uHlompo, I respect him as a pundit. Definitely uyalazi ibhola, uyakwazi uku-analyze, and he talks a lot of sense. However, on this matter, I would like to disagree with uBraHlompo. Umama Joy uthi uKaizer uBobby approachile in terms of ukuthi ajoine iChiefs. I think she was just joking. I think Boy Tuba and Bobby, they were just kidding around. Mama Joy bekalapha eDobsonville there to support Kaizer Chiefs, and then uBobby approacher for that role ukuthi Mama Joy so i-free agent manje woza ku-free agent FC uzosijoyina since i-Royal AM ingasekho awusana club. And I think they were just joking around and uMama Joy wathi no uright yena laphayana kuBafana Bafana. She will support Kaizer Chiefs mabadlala laphayana ku-CAF because she is a patriot and she is South African. There is only one team engeke support whether they are playing in CAF or not, and that is her former team, Orlando Pirates. Unfortunately, asazi ukuthi yini kwali lakhe Orlando Pirates. We don't know what went wrong there, and that is all she wrote, and that is all she said. Kaizer Chiefs, guys, look out, watch the show. I will update you. Group. Kaizer Chiefs could potentially face Stellenbosch in the same groups. We know with big teams like Zamalek is still in it. So if Kaizer Chiefs still want to win a Confederations Cup, they will have to go through the likes of Zamalek. Wydad Casablanca is also there. USM Alger is also there. Yeah, but Kaizer Chiefs is also a big team in her own right. So yeah, guys, remember to like and subscribe. Bucks on course to win their second trophy following their 2-1 win over Makesi. So tell me, what do you think about that win? Orlando Pirates, they have overcome that blip against Lupopo. Yeah, guys, so asikhulumeni ngendaba yeKhosi. Why Hugo Bros? Why is he overlooking ama player with Kaizer Chiefs? Let's talk about it. Brendan Peterson, 8 clean sheets in 10 games, if I'm not mistaken. I think it's 7 clean sheets in 10 games. That is the stats. Brendan Peterson, they call him Mr. Clean Sheets. I don't know why he is being overlooked. Reynaldo Lina, yeah, we know that okay, at least his team is doing well, so you can understand why he is in the team. And Ricardo Goss, I don't know what Ricardo Goss. I don't know why select ahead of Brendan Peterson. Maybe you guys have the answer. Drop your thoughts on comments. Brendan Peterson, 7 clean sheets in 10 games, still being overlooked. But to Usipo Chain, I will not want to talk about Usipo Chain because you saw the goal that he conceded yesterday. To Usipo Chain's form of late, it has not been inspiring. So I don't know why, those two goalkeepers, especially Goss No Chain, they are being selected ahead of Peterson. So Angaz, drop your thoughts on comments. Brady Cross, another one, they used to select him for Bafana Sadlalili Golden Arrows. I guess he has signed for the wrong team, Manja Basam KT. I think it was for the last FIFA break, and then Manja Bamketanga. But Brady Cross, we have an injury, and then he's overcome it. And then he has reclaimed his position at Pago left back with Chiefs. And he's doing well and he's playing with confidence. So I think his form based on current form, he should be in the team. And the last one is Ox. So Ox, when he used to play for Stelis, he used to get selected for a national team. I guess he has signed for the wrong team. Kaizer Chiefs. I can understand last season Chiefs were not doing well, but this season they are doing well, and they should consider all the players based on current form. And based on current form, I think Ox is the best defensive midfielder currently in the PSL. So angazi why bangamselect Ox Mthethwa. So drop your thoughts on comments. Let's look at Talent Mbata. He's not making the Orlando Pirates starting lineup, but he is there. So that raises questions whether if you're not playing for Helman Kelele's former team, whether maybe that is the criteria for Bafana Bafana. I don't want to be saying those kind of things, but that's what it seems like because they're ignoring good players. But yeah, guys, angifuni ukuthi singene kakhulu ku-politics, but we need to have these discussions because it looks like there is definitely bias laphayana ku-national team. I've come to the end of the show, guys. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, save the video, share it. and subscribe, guys. Remember to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for tuning in. Cheers. Bye bye.